Okay, so part of my winterization protocol, I want to seal this box, the outdoor shower box, because it's just a thin piece of plastic that then goes inside to the inside of our bathroom vanity. So I picked up a little bit of this pipe insulation at the hardware store. It's wrapped in plastic already, and I cut a piece off and just tape the ends closed so it becomes really an insulation pillow. And now I can just stick this in here and that way the insulation, if rain does get in there, it won't get the insulation wet. Adds a bit of a vapor barrier, and that will certainly help to keep the heat in. So now I can just close this up. And that's that. The outdoor shower is sealed up for the winter.